Brew Up Your English, Mastering Breakfast and Beverage Vocabulary. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to perk up your vocabulary by focusing on breakfast and morning beverage preparation. Yes, that's right. We're taking a delicious dive into the world of cooking and preparation verbs related to your first meal of the day. This will help you talk about your morning routine in English with more confidence and detail. First, let's get started with some basic breakfast vocabulary. These are the words you will frequently use when talking about breakfast. Cereal, toast, eggs, bacon, fruit, coffee, tea, juice. These are just a few examples. Remember, breakfast varies greatly from country to country and even person to person. Now that we have our breakfast ingredients, let's talk about how we prepare them. Here are some crucial verbs you need to know. 1. To cook. The general term for preparing food, often with heat. 2. To fry. Cooking something in hot oil or fat, like frying eggs or bacon. 3. To boil. Heating a liquid until it starts bubbling, like boiling water for tea. 4. To toast. Making bread crisp and brown by exposure to a toaster or a grill. 5. To peel. Removing the outer skin of a fruit or vegetable. 6. To pour. Transferring a liquid from one container to another. 7. To stir. Mixing a liquid or other substance by moving an implement in a circular pattern. 8. To brew. Making tea or coffee by boiling and steeping. These verbs will help you describe the cooking process in detail when you're talking about preparing your breakfast. We've learned some basic vocabulary and verbs. Now, it's time to put them into action with some example sentences. 1. I like to cook my eggs, but my brother prefers them fried. 2. I boil water to brew my coffee in the morning. 3. After toasting the bread, I spread butter and jam on it. 4. I peel an orange and pour a glass of juice for breakfast. 5. I stir my tea with a teaspoon after adding sugar. Practice these sentences, and try to make your own sentences with the vocabulary and verbs we've learned today. And that's a wrap for today's lesson, folks. We hope you're now able to express your morning routine, especially your breakfast and beverage preparation, more vividly in English. Keep practicing these new words and verbs, and remember, every breakfast is a new opportunity to practice your English. Until next time, happy learning and bon appétit!